Hey guys, 007K here, back again with another product review. I may as well change the title of these videos from Tuesday Talks with Bond to Walmart Haul of the Week. Yes, this is another product I bought at Walmart. It was also in the clearance aisle. Like every other product I review on this channel, I couldn't find any other place that reviewed it. So here I am with this product. It's the Platinum Burners LED series. They're racing lights. And what that means is you stick them on your car, and when you go to a racetrack or something like that, you turn them on and it shines really far and really wide, because obviously if you're going really fast, you need to have really good lighting so you can see what's in front of you pretty far away. So we're gonna head out to the garage now and put them on my car and see how they work out. Alright guys, so here's my car. We're gonna be sticking the race light either here or probably under here, or maybe I could even stick it in the grill. I'm not sure if it's thin enough for that, but we're gonna see. So here's our lights. Get me a set of wire strippers too, and we'll probably need a screwdriver, but I don't know what kind we'll need yet. So we're gonna open the box first. Okay. So when you open the box, get the lights, and you get a wiring kit. Now it comes with a switch, but I'm just going to wire it up to my fog light switch since I don't have fog lights in. And it looks like we need Phillips head screwdrivers. Alright, so I got my Phillips head screwdriver. Take these out of the box, or the styrofoam thing now. So here's what they look like. And it's got a mount on the bottom. So, probably right there maybe? Or we could mount it from the top. Might look a little better. So there's a little plastic piece covering this and you have to pull it off. We're going to stick the wire in there and we're going to bolt this to a ground point. You know what? I just decided I'm going to mount them right here. So, I'm going to grab our light right there, except I want to mount it on the bumper. Cool. Okay. Maybe I should have gotten a little bit bigger of a bit. There we go. So now if I close the hood, should be for the most part concealed. Not sure which of these is positive and which of these is negative, but we're gonna find out. So right now I'm trying to figure out which fuse is the one for the fog lights, because I should have done my research, but I didn't. There's 12 volts there, 12 volts, 12 volts there, nothing here, nothing here, 12 there, 12 there. So what I'm doing here is I just stripped the fog light wire and I'm testing both sides to see which side is positive. So this is the positive side because 12 volts is coming out of it. Well, almost 12 volts. So we're gonna bend this down so we know which one is positive. I'm gonna go turn off the lights now. So we're gonna make sure this has no voltage. No voltage, cool. We're gonna run it through here. Probably over the headlight. And oh no, it's not quite long enough. It's just ever so slightly too short. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is cut this off. We're gonna connect this end to here. Put the little rubber gasket over it so it doesn't short anything. So that should be in there pretty securely. I'm not gonna solder it just yet because I don't want to solder it if I'm not going to keep them. This is just a test at the moment. And then we're going to take this, we're going to do something with it. We got to bolt this to a ground point somewhere. You know what, I'm just going to hook it up to the battery for now. Okay, come on. We did not. Oh. There we are. That's decently bright. Turn the camera around. So that's without the LED light. And that's with it. So it doesn't really add much, but it does fill in. So now we're going to go ahead and install the other side. As you can see there, this frame damage right here is not normal. That is from a car accident I had. You can check out the video right here. So we're going to set that down. Grab the other light. Here we are. We're going to come on this side and do the exact same thing. Cool beans. So it's time to go take it for a spin, see how it does. So unfortunately the battery on my other camera died, and so now I'm recording with my cell phone. It doesn't record at night very well, as you can clearly tell. You can hardly see my headlights in the camera, but these are the normal headlights. These are with the racing lights. Normal lights, racing lights. Now, unfortunately my high beams don't work, so I can't compare it to my high beams, but the camera picks it up a lot better than it does in real life. In real life, it goes about as far out as my normal headlights, but it is a lot brighter. It doesn't go much past the distance of my normal headlights though, just makes that little section brighter, and the beam is a lot wider. There's a really narrow beam for the headlights just pointing almost directly in front of me and nowhere on the sides. And then the racing lights go all the way to each side, which I think is really nice. Plus, they look really, really good. They don't look quite as good in the camera, but trust me, in real life, they look awesome. So do I think the $35 racing lights from Walmart are worth it? I don't know. I think it looks cool. I think it looks better than my normal headlights. For $35 though, they're not bad. I can't say they're a horrible product, and I can't say they didn't work as advertised, but they're not exactly what I expected them to be. So there you guys have it. There's my review of the Platinum Series racing lights from Walmart. If you really liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really hated this video, give it a thumbs down. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. And have a good day, everyone. Hope to see you guys in my next video.